down, come up, kick.
That's starting now.
Good. No, starting from the beginning. Did you tap already once? How many times?
Once.
2 push-ups for you. Good. Come up, kick. Raise that knee as high as you can and flick that toe. Good. Come up. Oh, there's 4 push-ups from Mark Briggs. Come on up. Good, Tracy. Down and down. Up, kick. Do the hop to prevent the toe tap. Catch, kick, and down, and up, and kick, and down. There's one for me. Kick, and down, and kick. Other side, we'll do push-ups at the end.
I owe 10.
Other side, 10 push-ups for Mark. Did you have to touch?
Like a bunch.
Oh, okay. Every time you tap, it's 2 push-ups. Other side, here we go. Left foot, down, come up, kick, down, come up, kick. What's your focus spot? Right there. Down, come up, kick. Engage your core and breathe. Down, come up, kick, down, come up, kick, down. Smoothie smooth. Up, kick, down, up, kick, down. Feel that burn. Here it comes.
Oh, feel that.
Kick, down, come up, kick. I tap. There's 2 more for me. Kick, down, come up, kick, down, come up, kick. Hang in there. Down, up, kick it, down,